Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Roblox game client has stopped working. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Roblox. So once you open Roblox, you simply need to log out from your Roblox account. So as you can see that I already log out. Once you log out, you simply need to restart your PC. Once you've done that, you simply need to search here in the bottom Roblox player. Then you need to click here open file location. So once you are here, you simply need to click here and click on show more options. Click on properties, click on compatibility. You need to select that run the program in compatibility mode. So you need to select window 8. Here you need to select this option disable full screen optimizer and run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and click on OK. Once you've done that, your issue will be solved. But let's suppose you are still facing an issue. You simply need to search for the device manager. Open that. So once you are in device manager, you simply need to come here and you need to, here you can see option of display adapters. Click here. Then you need to click the right mouse cursor and update driver. Once you done that, your issue will be solved. So I show you different solutions that you can try and hopefully your issue will be solved. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.